Hi, today we're going to show you how to remove a door lock for identification or just to swap it out. So what you want to do first is remove the two screws that hold the door handle in place. Now remove the handle. Next, what you want to do is remove the door cylinder. So put your key in. Remove the most obvious Phillips screw. It's in line with the bottom part of the Euro cylinder. And then give the key a quarter turn just to release it from the gearbox. As you can see, giving it a quarter turn pulls the little lever in the centre into the centre to allow it to slide out. Little quarter turn, pull. Now what you want to do is start to take out the Phillips screws that run down the side of the door. Try and leave the obvious ones that are next to the actual hooks, because these are the ones that will be holding the hook case in place. Usually it's a T20. So just start by removing the most obvious Phillips screws. Then you'll find there's 1, 2, 3 usually holding the centre gearbox, T20s. And all you need to do is pull from the top, and you'll find that your door lock will just come out. This way you can take a picture of the centre gearbox to send for a replacement, because 99% of the time this is what fails. As you can see, the two obvious screws at each side of the boxes are the ones that hold the gearbox in place. You don't really want to take these off, because you'll end up with half of it falling inside of the door cavity, the door sash cavity. And then just to simply put all this back in, you get your new lock, you cut it to size, because they normally come a full height, and then you just crop it to the same height as the one you had before. Start with the centre. Just push it all in. What I like to do first is put my cylinder back in, so that quarter turn again just to level it up. Get your screw, your cylinder screw, and screw this into place. This basically just holds the door lock in place. It just allows you to align it to where it was before. Obviously you just go by the original screw holes. So now you just screw everything back in place by going with the original screw holes. Now for your handle, remove your key, get your handle through, get your external one, just hold it, both sides, line up your screw, you'll feel it through the port, find the port. That's your new lock installed. Just make sure everything works. As simple as that.